channel. Today we are playing race cars. We had to show it because Bobby is really bad at this.
Yeah. And it's pretty much whoever touches that end of the couch first wins. And I have the Jeep and Vision has the blue whatever thing.
It's a Saltini.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
Watch that one. I win!
I was doing so well.
Okay, I win.
Okay, now let's go into round 2. We're going to switch cars, so let's get going. Phew, okay.
Bye-bye. You did this car again.
They're quickly going to switch cars, and I'm going to talk to you guys about. Okay, so guys, we are doing a very cool thing. Once we hit 100 subscribers, you will see a very new side of our channel. So make sure you're subscribing.
We're going to be doing a giveaway. So.
Yes, so make sure you're subscribing
We still haven't decided on what the giveaway is going to be. But
and hitting that bell to turn on notifications.
Okay.
Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Little bitty bug thingy.
Haha.
Oh no, the little bitty bug thingy got on top of it.
I win. Where he's going? Hell.
Stop! I can do it myself.
She made it. Okay, so it's up to you guys who you think won. Comment down below who you guys think won that round.
I win.
See you can get back there. Okay, Bradley, who do you think won?
Grayson.
Yeah, he definitely won. Brayson, who do you think you won?
Me.
I think it was Brayson too. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching, and we hope you guys subscribe and hit that bell to turn on notifications. Make sure you watch part 2.